heard the dogs howl in the moonlight night. I went to the window to see the sight. All the dead that ever I knew, going one by one and two by two. On they passed, and on they passed, townsfellows all from first to last, born in the moonlight of the lane, quenched in the heavy shadow again. Schoolmates marching as when they played at soldiers once, but now more stayed. Those were the strangest sight to me, who were drowned, I knew, in the awful sea. Straight and handsome folk, bent and weak too, some that I loved and gasped to speak to, some but a day in their churchyard bed, some that I had not known were dead. A long, long crowd, where each seemed lonely, yet of them all there was one only, raised a head or looked my way. She lingered a moment, she might not stay. How long since I saw that fair, pale, pale face? Ah, mother dear, might I only place my head on thy breast, a moment to rest, while thy hand on my tearful cheek were pressed? Oh no, a moving bridge they made across the moon street, from shade to shade, young and old, women and men, many long forgot but remembered then. And first there came a bitter laughter, a sound of tears, a moment after, and then a music so lofty and gay, that eve morning, day by day, I strive